In this section, we'll show you how to create projects using a template and customize them to meet your specific needs. When you select a template from the list, a preview of the template appears on the right side. Click Use this template to create a new project based on it, or Edit this template to load it in edit mode for more details or modifications. A blue chip next to the title indicates that you are in Template Edit mode. Here, you can add new tasks or modify existing ones. Click Cancel to exit without saving changes, or Save Template to apply your modifications. Let's talk about how to create a template from an existing project. In our example, I'll open the project Strategic Financial Planning. To the right of the project title, beside the Generate Invoice button, you'll find the Extended Project menu represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on this menu and select Save as Template. To open the template information page, on this page, you can choose which parts of the project, such as items, project members, tags, and more, you want to include in the template. If no start and end dates were set in the original project, an error message will appear, as these dates are required for a project timeline. For example, if your project starts on June 1st and ends on June 25th, the template will store this 25-day duration. When you create a new project from this template, it will, by default, span 25 days starting from the new start date. However, in this example, we won't be using specific due dates for the tasks. Click Create Template to save it. That's it. For more details, refer to our knowledge base or contact our customer support team for assistance.